Right. So in the programming language, we do have a concepts called the library. So in our reality library, we have a lot of the books you can borrow, then use them. You don't have to write those book again because someone already writes the book and for you to take advantage. So same idea for the programming language. We do have a library. Each library contain many different variables and functions which already exist, already be wrote and same time tested, and the work functionally. So one of the module, which also is a library, we consider the library, is random. So random can help you to generate many random the different kind of the value. So one of the random, so one if you try using this library, this module, we're using keyword input and put a library's name, which is random. Once you put a random again, if you're trying to use one of the functions from the random, you just call using the random, this module name again, put the dot and put a random. This is a method name. So for example, it's rand int and put, for example, 1 comma 6. So this one basically we're trying to go to a library which name is random dot, basically you get access the random library, you grab one of the book which we call the rand int and you put variable. Okay, so this one basically you trying to randomize the number from 1 to 6, including 1 and 6. So now if I try to run them, you would be C1. Okay, let me just comment this one. Right. So first you have 1. If I try again, it would 2. You try again, it would 4. This is randomized. So a lot of time people would say I want to randomize 10 to 100. I can just run like this. They give you a random number, right? So there's another library we call import, uh, called math. So for the Python, they do have different the math library. If you're trying to use math library, the same thing. You call math dot. For example, I try to get square roots of the number. I can just sqt. Then I put a number. For example, is 100. Now I can run them, right? So we can even make more useful. We can say square. That's the square root of 10 is right. So once we print, so if I using this way, I try to run, will give you this entire the 10. Uh, so would it be 100? So if I run again, so square root would be there are so many different functions. I cannot cover every them, but if you go to the textbook, they actually will show you so many different uh, the module functions. So you can see cosine, assign, smallest tail. So those are different functions which you can use for your the future application or development. Thank you.